How do I mute someone in Messenger?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to mute someone on Messenger. This might come in handy when you don't want to receive messages from a certain contact without blocking them completely. Don't worry, it's a simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it with ease. Let's dive right in.
Why would you want to mute someone in Messenger?
Before we proceed, it's important to understand why you might want to use this feature. Muting a contact or conversation in Messenger doesn't block the person entirely. It simply turns off notifications for their messages. This is great when you're busy and don't want to be disturbed, but still want to check the messages later at your convenience.
How to access Messenger?
The first step in muting someone on Messenger is, of course, to open the Messenger app. 1. Start by locating the Messenger app on your device and tap on it to open. 2. You should see your chat history here, with the most recent conversations at the top.
Locating the conversation to be muted.
Once you've opened Messenger, the next step is to find the conversation you wish to mute. 1. Scroll through your conversations until you find the one that you want to mute. 2. Tap on the conversation to open it.
Muting the conversation.
Now that you have the conversation open, you're just a few steps away from muting it. 1. Look for the I symbol or information icon at the top of the screen. This will take you to the conversation's details. Tap on it. 2. Once the details open, you'll see an option that says Mute or Mute Notifications. 3. Tap on it. Messenger will then ask you for how long you want to mute the conversation. You can select from the predefined options, or you can customize it as per your need. 4. After selecting the duration, confirm your choice. And voila! You have now successfully muted a conversation on Messenger. That's all there is to it, folks. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful and that you now feel comfortable muting someone in Messenger. As always, remember that communication is key, and this feature should be used responsibly. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.